Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to book learners into an in-house workshop. This video assumes you have in-house workshops already set up and have seen the previous video on public workshop enrollments. Starting from the workshop view page, click the Book Learners button. From here, you can add the learner's basic details by completing the given fields. The columns on this page can be modified to include additional information by clicking the Display Columns drop-down and marking the desired checkboxes. The email address format fields can be configured to enable efficient data entry of standard business-wide email addresses, or turned off by marking the checkbox on the left. When all learner details have been entered, click on the Register Learners button to create and book the learners into the workshop, and return to the workshop overview. In summary, this video has demonstrated how to book learners into an in-house workshop. The following video will give an overview of booking statuses.